Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun, job. Job. So something you do as work and get paid for it. So get paid for it. Yes, you get paid. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. Yeah. So you get paid for it. Yeah, paid. You get money. So does he have a job? Well, I have a job as a teacher. My old job used to be a teacher for Chinese children. Yeah, online. Yeah, that was my old job. Old job. Yeah. And why don't they have any jobs? How many jobs do they need? How many jobs are they looking for? Yeah. See, we have job. Job is one, singular. And jobs equals 2 plus. Plural. Yeah. I had a job. I have had different jobs over the years. I had a job, say last year. Yeah. I have had jobs over the years. I've had jobs over the years. How cool is that? Yeah. So I used to have a job, but not anymore. I used to have a job, but not anymore. My old job was teaching English to Chinese children online. Yeah. The job before that was QA, quality assurance. This is years ago now. Yeah. Are you looking for a job? Are you? Yeah. I am not looking for a job. No, I'm not. No. Yeah. Because you're looking, you will find a job soon. Yeah. The more you look and the more skills you have, the better the job will be. Yes. To get a really good job, you need really good skills and education. Those help to get the best kinds of jobs. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So yeah, job. So like these people, yeah, their job is working in a kitchen as cooks, for example. As cooks. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So job. Yeah. So can you write a sentence with job in it? Write in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Very good. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.